Welcome to the Bragg Magical Garden Experience, where we dive deep into the enchanting world of gardening. Just like the Joe Rogan Experience, but with a green twist. Join me as we explore the secrets of cultivating a magical garden oasis right in your backyard. From mystical plants to whimsical landscaping tips, get ready to unleash your inner green thumb and create a garden that will leave everyone spellbound. Let's grow together in the Bragg Magical Garden Experience.
That's led me down a whole heap of different rabbit holes, growing a lot of my own food, researching and that sort of stuff. And I've done a lot of work traveling all around the country, like as a health and safety advisor. And a lot of that's led me like to 8-hour drives. So that's all podcast, you know. Worms start coming in and out of this microbiome.
They're really good with white wine.
Oh yeah, anything's good with white wine. Let's say you got a bare canvas.
We don't know what we're getting, do we?
No.
Oh, surprise, dragon.
Like you did. And I've given that plant what it needs. Smell a little slight sweetness to it.
I feel like everyone's going straight to the tip from here.
Guess what that is for? Keep the seed. That's all mycelium.
I heard it called the wood wide web.
Yeah, the wood wide web. Come up through under here. Yeah. They've attacked it from underneath. Okay, check that out. So this is my biochar kiln. This bit here, break that. Look at all the fine little tubes in there. Millions of them. All right. What have we got here?
I'm one.
I'm going to keep asking you because this reinforces. Seawater.
Oh, yeah.
And you need a little taste.
I want a shot of the rum in mine.
It's like a power shot.
This one's here I haven't touched on. This is OHN, and this is Oriental Herbal Nutrient, but that's a whole course in itself to make this. Just a little bit more. That's it. Too much.
Too much.
That in there.